So here's the motor. The bottom end is a D16 Y8 with the VTEC head. I am gonna put a turbo on this motor. And if you haven't already, sign up to win this car. I mean, it's totally free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be a little different. First, I wanted to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who's been tuning in, who's been joining the giveaway, who's been watching the content and commenting. You guys make a huge difference and give me a lot of motivation to continue. The reason I'm making this video is because I want to do a recap of where we started, where we are at now, and where we're going. As you guys can see, the engine is coming together, as you will see in the next video that comes out. But for this video, I kind of just wanted to recap what we're doing, what this is all about for all the new people who's joining in. So I'm giving away this Honda Civic that I purchased with the blown motor. The whole point of it was to see if I could challenge myself to build a turbo Civic for under $5,000. Now, I've never really built a car before. This is kind of my first attempt at this. I'm not new to cars. I work on my own cars a lot, but I am new to builds. I am new to doing things fresh. So here's the motor. The bottom end is a D16 Y8 with the VTEC head. I am gonna put a turbo on this motor and get it tuned. Right now, I think we are roughly at around 3,500 so far into the build. Now, I'm not so certain I'm gonna be able to stick underneath that $5,000 mark, mainly because of all the little things I'm having to pick up. I'm not including tools into the build, so that's all investments that I'm making myself. But there's little sensors and things that I have to get. I had to get the knock sensor, I had to get the oil pressure switch. So little things like that is kind of just adding up, things that you don't really expect or think you're gonna need, but it is an old motor, it was rebuilt. It came with a knock sensor that was already broken, and I just didn't trust the oil pressure switch. So I had those two things replaced, and yeah, I'm gonna continue to put it together. I'm hoping to have it done within the next few weeks, but life has been a little crazy. I will not be putting out a video next week, mainly because I have some family things that I have to deal with. So I gotta take a break and go take care of that. But that's just 1 week. I'll be back the following week, so don't be alarmed if you don't see me next week or don't see a video next week. Now, when it comes to this whole series, I am extremely thrilled of how everything's turning out. I'm learning a lot, I'm having a lot of fun. I'm also being frustrated a little bit, but that's all part of the build, right? You're gonna learn a lot, you're gonna mess up here and there, and I've messed up a couple times. But overall, I've enjoyed the whole process. I really would like to keep this up. Building a car has been way more interesting than I thought, especially doing it from the ground up. You feel way more attached to the vehicle. You feel way more attached to the build. And it's something I haven't felt with most of my cars. I've owned a lot of cars. I've loved a lot of my old cars, from my Subarus to my RX-7, R32 Skyline GTR, my R35 GTR, a couple other cars, some really nice cars. I've loved all those cars. I've wrenched on them a little bit, but nothing like this. And I've never been a Honda person per se. I do respect them, they're phenomenal machines. But being able to take one apart, put it back together, and build it to a way that I see that I would like it to be built, I think it's given me a further connection with vehicles that I haven't experienced in the past. And it is very interesting and extremely exciting, because I'm learning a lot from this, and now I'm even more excited to do my next build. And giving it away, I think, is just a part of the process, and really it's a way for me to give back. I love doing this content. I would love to do this full time. And honestly, once the build's done, I'm probably gonna rip it up and down the street for a day or two, and enjoy the build a little bit. But ultimately, I don't have a need for the car. I'd rather it go to someone who will probably either build it more or just enjoy it as it is. I think it's a great car. I think it's a great base. I think you can expand on this because it's such a clean shell and do a lot more than what I have planned for it. That being said, with all these little parts adding up, I'm kind of doubting that I'm gonna stay within budget by the end of the build. So we'll see how that comes out. Along with launching this series, I've also launched my clothing brand, Rated Apparel LLC. It's all about car clothes. I think it's hard to find some good car clothes, especially things that are comfortable. I'm sitting in a 90-degree garage right now, and you'd think I'd be sweating my balls off. I mean, I might, I don't know how I look on camera, but I'm actually pretty comfortable because the shirt is breathable, it's stretchable, it fits right. It's one of the most comfortable shirts I've ever worn. To the people who have already purchased the shirts, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what you guys would like to see on the website. I have a couple other things that's coming in, to put on the website, things that might be useful to you guys. But I also want to create more designs. I've gotten some feedback already from car guys in the community. Some guys want to see the Audi R8 on there. Some people say they want to see the LFA. If you guys have any ideas or any brands or cars or specific models that you guys want to see or have put on a shirt, let me know. I'll write it down and I'll make it a goal to get it on a shirt. This whole process, I've learned a lot so far, and I'm gonna continue to learn, but I would also like you guys to give me some input because I wanna know what you guys would like to see, what you guys wanna see on the website, what you guys wanna see on the channel. I would like input on the next build after this one's done. All your feedback, it means a lot to me because I'm doing this for me and for you. I want us to grow as a community. I want us to build something awesome, and I want to share it with you guys. What I'm building is going to go back to you guys. So let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want me to build. Let me know what you want me to put on the website, and I will gladly do it. I'm super grateful to all the things I've learned so far. The growth I've seen is phenomenal, and I'm thrilled. I can't believe how much I'm growing. 500 subscribers is insane to me, especially when I was only at like 200 when this started, maybe even less, I don't remember exactly. But I'm finally doing something that I really enjoy, and I'm hoping you guys are enjoying it too. So thank you for watching. Remember, there will not be a video next week, but the following week we will get back to it. And if you haven't already, sign up to win this car. I mean, it's totally free. All you have to do is go to the website, ratedgtr.store, and sign up to the email list. Also have to be subscribed to the channel, like and comment on the videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.